And darling,
Dhruv?
ma'am, which book?
Grammar book.
Grammar.
Everybody be ready with your grammar book.
Page number PGN. Ma'am, you can hear me
Page.
properly.
Yeah, yeah. I can hear you
Okay,
properly.
ma'am.
We're going to do adverbs, right? We finished
Yes, ma'am. We have
future
finished
tense.
future tense.
So we're going to do adverbs today.
We have finished all the tense. Now we will do adverbs.
Page 63, all of you.
Ma'am,
Page
ma'am,
63.
may I go to washroom?
Yeah, Sia.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yeah, Vivan. Here we go. Page 63 of your grammar book. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
I want everyone to switch on their camera. We are on page number 63. Adverbs. What are adverbs? Who will tell me what are adverbs? Hmm? What are adverbs?
Adverbs are tell about more work.
Tell us more about the verbs.
Ma'am, what you tell? I was wearing my earphones. So what you tell?
What are adverbs? Tell me what are adverbs. Everybody, please switch on your camera.
Something.
Sia, Vivan,
Adverb.
Kush Kapadia,
Ma'am,
Anvi,
I was in the washroom. Ma'am, I don't, Kahan. Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say
Kahan,
please?
please sit and attend the class. Kahan, please sit. Sorry, Kahan. Kush, please sit and attend the class. I don't want to lie down on your bed and attend the class.
Adverb are tell about more work.
Hmm. They tell us more about the verbs.
Verb.
They tell us more about the verbs. So, adverbs are words that tell us more about the verbs, the adjectives, or other adverbs in the sentence. For example, the cat purrs happily. What is purring of a cat? Purring means there is a kind of noise that a cat makes that's called purring. So, the cat purrs happily. How does the cat purrs? Happily. Happily tells us more about the verb purr. The lake is almost empty. So, what does it tell us about the lake? How much water is it? Almost empty means the water is as low as there is no water at all. And we are on page number 63. So, almost tells us more about the adjective empty. Tara picked up her puppy very gently. So, very tells us about how the puppy was picked up. How gently? Very gently. Now, Adverbs are already given to you in the box, which are never, daily, often, almost, very, yesterday, outside, and seriously. So we have to use these in the sentences which are given below. Number one, Bihan, please answer.
Tarun did not take his parents' advice seriously.
Seriously. Tarun did not take his parents' advice seriously. Number two, Meet.
Yes, ma'am. Shush, Shushma reads the newspaper daily.
Sushma reads the newspaper daily. Number three, Kush. Kush Kapadia, number three.
Yes, ma'am. We must we must often play with sharp objects.
What do you mean by often?
Ma'am, often means we have to
Yeah. Often means?
ma'am often means we have to not touch it.
Often means we don't have to touch it. Okay. Vidisha, what does often mean? Kush, that's wrong. Vidisha, what does often mean? Hmm? Kahan, what does often mean?
What, ma'am?
What is the meaning of the word often? Often.
Please? Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say Ibrahim?
Can't hear.
Vida, often,
Ma'am, frequently. Ma'am,
frequently, most of the times. Often means most of the times.
Ma'am,
We
can I?
must, okay, no, let me correct Kush first. Kush says we must often play with sharp objects. Kush, we should play with sharp objects.
Ma'am, sorry, never.
Never. We should never. This is a kind of advice someone is giving, that we should never play with sharp objects. Number four. Anand, number four.
Ma'am, I have raised my three hands.
Yes, ma'am. Wait for me. I have daily complete my work.
Huh? What I have?
I have
Daily complete my
almost.
I have
Almost.
almost completed my work.
Almost.
Almost means I am just about to finish my work, right? Okay, number five, Riva.
Yes, ma'am. The children were dash happy after their picnic. The children were very happy after the picnic.
Very happy after the picnic. Man, number six. Man Rajoria, number six.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, I want one only to answer because he is not in the class. He's just switched on his camera and he is not even listening to what I'm saying. He's listening to some music. See, there is no reaction whatsoever from his side because my voice is not reaching his ears. See,
Excuse me, ma'am.
he's in his own world.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Farzan.
I'm going to dentist, so I'm not in the class.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, bacha.
I'm going to dentist, so I'm not in the class. I'm cutting the class.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I answer the?
No, I want Mandra Jodia. He's watching something else. And he's listening to also something else. See his reaction. No reaction. If he would have been able to hear my voice, he would have been shocked that ma'am is talking to me.
Ma'am,
See? No reaction. Mandra Jodia.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning. Back to the earth. Welcome back to the earth. Where had you gone? Your body was
No,
here,
ma'am.
but your mind was somewhere else. Where had you gone? Which imaginative
I am
world
on
did
Earth
you?
only.
No. What did I say just now about you? Tell me if you were on Earth.
That one is on other side.
On other side? Yeah, all of you are on the other side. But what was I talking? I was talking to you for the past 10 minutes, I think. And there was no reaction on your face. Where is your book? Now you will go and get it. No?
Catherine, ma'am.
Wait. I'm talking to Man. Man, where is your book?
I am in bag.
It's multiplying. It's giving babies inside.
No.
Then it will become 2 out of 1 if it stays inside the cozy bag. Where is your book? Go get it quickly.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer? Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I ask?
Yes, Vivan, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, what is meaning of crap?
Huh? Very good. Give yourself one tight slap.
C-R-E-P-T.
No. Give yourself one tight slap because I can't come there. Why are you on the next page? First, tell me this, then I will answer your question. Why are you on the next page? Which sentence are we on, Vivan?
Ma'am, 6.
So you will move on to the next page. I don't know what is the meaning of crept. Find it yourself. I'm not going to tell you.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Rudra, give me the answer for 6.
Go and play outside, said my mom.
Go and play outside, said my mom. Number 7, Yug.
What, ma'am?
Number 7.
Yes. He called me up yesterday to plan a meeting for tonight.
Very good. She called me up yesterday to plan a meeting for tonight. Number 8, Meet. Meet, you've already answered,
ma'am.
right?
Yes.
Meet,
I have
you-
given answer.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I say Ibrahim?
Ayan. Yeah, Ibrahim, tell me. Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am. I dash see him during my morning walk. I often see him during my morning walk.
I often see him during my morning walk. Often means many times. Often
Many
means most of the times. Okay.
Excuse me,
ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, in often T is silent.
Right. Please.
Ma'am, often T is silent.
Yes, often. It is OFEN. That's the way we pronounce this. Often. Did you people check?
Yes, I'm silent.
Yes, ma'am. You have sent silent word with B letter.
Yes, ma'am. B letters.
Silent
Yes,
word
ma'am. I
between
have also
letters.
checked. Yes, ma'am. I and you have sent link also, ma'am. Mariam website.
Ma'am, in the
Yes.
So did you check the pronunciation of those words?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. I have clicked on the link also.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. You have sent link also.
Because if you will not check the pronunciation of those words, all your dictation words will go wrong when you do it on Tuesday. Okay? All your dictation words will go wrong if you don't check the pronunciation of those words, because you will not know which B is silent, the one which is coming before or the one which is coming later. So please check the pronunciation as well. And when you click on the link, you will also find the meaning of those words, sentences
Yes, ma'am.
of how to use that word in a sentence. So you can check that too. Okay. And I want you to also add those words, learn those words forever, not just for spelling, for using it in your daily language. Got it? Yeah. Okay. Next is adverb of manner tells us how an action is done. Now, if you see the 8 sentences that we just finished were a mix of adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, which you did not realize. So now we are going to do it one by one. So the first one is adverb of manner, which is formed by simply adding ly to the verb. How do we form it? Adverb of manner by
Adding ly.
ly to the verb. The lion roared. How? And it also answers the question how. So how did the lion roar? I know the lion roared, but man, how did the lion roar? The lion roared loudly. My father
Loudly.
drives. How does he drive? He drives carefully. Okay, he drives carefully. Many adverbs of manner can be formed by adding ly at the end of adjectives. For example, loud, loudly, quick,
Loudly.
quickly. Okay, so where do we have to add the ly? After the adjective.
After the
After the
The
adjectives.
adjective. Some adverbs of manners are formed by replacing the y with ily at the end of adjectives. For example, busy, we will remove the y and we will add ily.
Yes, ma'am.
ily. Yeah, who's this?
Ma'am, Arav Patel.
Yeah, Ara.
And today my PC is working too slow. That's why I have joined now. What are we doing?
We are doing page number 64, Ara. Exercise B, we are going to begin. So some adverbs of manner are formed by replacing the y with ily at the end of adjectives. So busy becomes, we remove the y and we add ilY. Busy.
ILY.
Easy becomes easily. Give me some other word with ends with y.
Ma'am, cheesy.
Lay.
Strong.
Ma'am, heavy.
Boy.
Heavy.
Heavy. Vivan said heavy. It's
Nervously.
nervously. So y will be removed and we will add ily. So it will become heavily. Right? Which else, Krishna? Do you know a word?
Ma'am, happily.
Happy.
Secretly.
Very nice. Happy. HAPPY. So we'll remove the y and we'll add ILY. Understood? Understood?
I can see. I can see.
Huh? What? Which is the word? Vansh?
Ma'am, I am saying anyone else have said. I have not said yet.
Number one, the suitable adverbs of manner are given to you. You just have to fit it in the sentences which are given. Okay. So number one, Jishna. Your mic is off.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. The wind blew so that Subodha's cap flew away. The wind blew so strongly that Subodha's cap flew away.
Subodh's cap flew away. Number two, Ayansh. Number two, Ayansh.
Can I say number 3?
The rain fell dash on the rooftop. Rooftop.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just telling. The rain fell heavily on the rooftop.
The rain fell heavily on the rooftop. Riddhi, number three.
The minister dashed crept out of the theatre. The minister secretly crept out of the theatre.
The minister secretly crept out of the theatre. Vivan crept. Vivan crept. Crept means
Yes, ma'am.
going out of that place without anyone noticing you. Very secretly, very quietly. You're moving out of that place so that nobody sees you. That is called creeping. Crept. Got it? You asked me the meaning, right? Crept. Nayak. Number 4.
Ma'am, can I say fourth one? Ma'am, can I say?
Nayak, number 4.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, ma'am. So, woman dash did as she was told by the robber. So, woman
Can I say?
nervously did as she was told by the robber.
Nervously did as she was told by the robber. Riddhi, what is your doubt? See a window. Rashly. Rashly means very roughly, very fast, not following rules. Rashly.
Ma'am, can I say?
Sia, number 5.
Yes, ma'am. The accident was caused by someone driving rash. The accident was caused by someone driving rashly.
Yes, correct. Now in the next one, adverbs of manner are given. Adjectives are given. You have to form the adverbs of manner. Number 1, Bihan. And
Yes,
number 2, Anvi. Number 3,
The
Jahan.
water current carried the swimmer swift down the river.
What is the answer, Bihan?
The water current carried the swimmer swiftly down the river.
Swiftly. You have to add ly to form adverb of manner. Okay. Anvi, number 2.
The baby cried loudly because it was hungry.
Correct. Number 3, Jahan.
Yes. Sumit won the school quiz contest as he had answered all the questions correctly.
Correct. Number for Vansh.
Yes.
What is the answer of third one? I can't listen Jahan.
The winners smiled dash when the audience clapped. The winners smiled happily when the audience clapped.
When the audience clapped. Ayansh, what was your question?
What is the answer of number third? I can't listen Jahan.
Correctly.
Ma'am, can I say?
Man,
Ma'am,
number 5.
ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yes, Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5.
The speaker spoke so dash that no one could hear her. The
No
speaker
one.
spoke so softly that no one could hear her.
Good. So this finishes our adverb of manner. We will finish we'll start adverb of time tomorrow. Okay. Kush Kapadia. Anyone? Where is Kush?
He has left the meeting.
Left the meeting. Where is Kush Kapadia? Left the meeting. Okay, children, I have sent you the dictation of the silent letter words which will be taken when Tuesday. So now we are going to do the silent letter words every week. We've started with B and we will move on with the other letters.
Ma'am, Kush Kapadia came.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anvi.
Ma'am, on the
I
last
want to meet your
Tuesday.
parents. Your parents wanted to meet me, right? Somebody.
Yes. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when you told my name, it was showing that someone has removed you.
I did not.
Parents.
Call your parents. Yes, Anvi. Yes.
Good
Anvi.
afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, Anvi, quickly.
Yes, ma'am. On the last Tuesday, I was out of town. I'm traveling, so you can send the Tuesday that you have take the dictation.
It is in the class only, bacha. The link is in the class.
Okay.
Just check. Rest of the children can leave by the class is over.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Quickly leave the class, please.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
I can't hear.
Bye, Catherine, ma'am.
Bye. Please leave. Ayansh,
Ma'am.
please.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, I can leave now.
Yeah. Everybody leave. The class is over.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Kush. Yes, ma'am. I got a message that somebody wanted to.
I told to
English teacher.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Riddhi and Jishna, please leave the class. Ma'am, right now I cannot talk to you. This is a period going on. I will talk to you in the HRM. Yes, Kush.
हेलो, इसका कैसा है? पढ़ने में कैसा है? मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है मैम।
अच्छा।
हेलो।
तो
हाँ।
मैम ये क्लास में जवाब तो देता है बट अटेंटिव नहीं बैठता है बिल्कुल। इसका कैमरा भी ऑफ रहता है। मैं आवाजें लगाती रहती हूँ कि कैमरा ऑन कीजिए क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता है ना पीछे क्या कर रहा है बच्चा।
अच्छा, ठीक है। मैंने तो पहले इसको बोला था कि मैं ध्यान भी रखती हूँ कि वो कैमरा क्यों ऑन रखता है, वो ऑफ कर लेता है, तो मैं बार कैसे आ सकती हूँ, तो इसको मैंने डांट भी लिया।
सही बात है, बार थोड़ी आप यही काम थोड़ी रह गया आप।
हाँ, एक काम थोड़ा है मेरा, पर वो ध्यान ही नहीं देता। वो मैंने कल भी चिल्लाया था। बोलो, आज आपका नाम मैंने सुना कि आप बोले खुश कपड़िया, तो क्या रिसर्व हो गया, किसी
Ma'am, it is showing that someone has removed you. That's why.
Kush Kapadia, nobody can remove you. Nobody has got that button except the teacher. Okay? Do you have a button which says remove anyone?
No, ma'am.
Then how is it possible? Only the teacher who's taking the class can remove you. I did not remove you. When I want to talk to you, why will I remove you? Right?
कोई क्यों नहीं कर सके, टीचर करेंगे,
सिर्फ टीचर ही कर सकती है मैम।
हाँ।
बच्चे के पास वो बटन नहीं होता है, सिर्फ टीचर के पास ही वो बटन होता है।
बराबर में
मुझे उससे बात करनी है तो मैं उससे क्यों रिमूव करूंगी। और मुझे दीपिका मैम ने ये भी बोला कि वो ऐसा कंप्लेन करता है कि उससे कोई कुछ पूछता नहीं है। कैथरीन मैम
हाँ।
2-3 बच्चों से ही पूछती है। कुश, इज इट लाइक दैट? आई आस्क ओनली 2-3 चिल्ड्रन इन द क्लास और आई गिव 1 सेंटेंस टू ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड। टेल मी, मैं सब बच्चों से एक सेंटेंस कम से कम पूछती हूँ कि नहीं? हाँ या ना में जवाब जल्दी। यस। तो आपने दीपिका मैम को ऐसा क्यों बोला कि
Ma'am,
नाम भी लिया
because that
कि मैं विवान और एक और लड़की है प्रीशा, मैम बस उन तीनों से ही पूछती है। बाय कुश।
ma'am, that day I want to answer you many questions, but you are not asking only me.
Okay. Am I supposed to ask only you? You want to answer many questions.
Ma'am, I am not saying that.
You said no. I had the answer of many questions, but you did not ask me. And दूसरी बात मैम, मैंने ये लोग कैमरा ऑन नहीं रखते ना, तो मैंने रूल बना दिया है कि जिसका कैमरा ऑन रहेगा मैं उसी को पूछूंगी। तो अगर इसका कैमरा तो मैं नहीं पूछूंगी उसको। मैं आपको ही बोल रही हूँ अभी इस वक्त। अगर ये कैमरा ऑफ रखेगा तो ये कंप्लेन रहेगी कि मैं इसको नहीं पूछूं, मैं नहीं पूछूं।
बात तो सही है ना टीचर, आपकी बात सही है, मैंने भी वही किया। अभी हम लोग कैसे अंदर से हर घड़ी तो हम लोग आ सकते नहीं ना कि भाई तुमने कैमरा ऑफ रखा ऑन रखा, ये सब तो इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, इन्हें जवाबदारी होगी ना इसकी।
हाँ, तो मैंने क्लास में अनाउंस किया हुआ है, कुछ आपको बताएगा। कुछ मैंने ऐसा अनाउंस किया है ना कि जो बच्चा अपना कैमरा ऑफ रखेगा मैं उसको आंसर नहीं पूछूंगी, बोला है ना मैंने ये क्लास में।
यस मैम।
तो फिर आपका कैमरा ऑफ रहता है, इसलिए मैम आपको नहीं पूछती। अगर आपको जवाब देना है तो आपको पूरा 35 मिनट कैमरा ऑन रखना है। तो आप अगर बोल रहे हो कि विवान, विहान और प्रीशा से मैं पूछती हूँ, तो ठीक है मैं पूछती हूँ क्योंकि उनका 35 मिनट कैमरा ऑन रहता है। अब बोलो क्या गलत करती हूँ मैं तो रूल फॉलो कर रही हूँ ना। मैंने रूल बनाया है तो मुझे तो फॉलो करना पड़ेगा ना।
बराबर ने अभी भी आपने बोला कि खुश का पढ़िया, मैंने भी सुना कि वो रिमूव कर दिया। मेरे को कैसे रिमूव होता है? मैंने भी वही बोला, कैसे रिमूव होता है?
भी ये लोग बटन प्रेस करते और चले जाते और फिर बोलते हैं मैम मेरे पास नेटवर्क इशू था और मैं चला गया। अभी भी वो
होता है
मैम, नेटवर्क इशू वाज नॉट देयर।
अभी भी जब क्लास शुरू हुआ वो उल्टा लेट के क्लास अटेंड कर रहा था। अभी तो मैंने उसको बेड पे बैठा था उल्टा।
हाँ, वो बेड पे बैठा था, तभी मैंने नीचे रखा। मैंने बोला कि नीचे रख दो। मैंने बोला आपने भी बोला और मैंने भी बोला।
मैंने बोला क्लास अटेंड करनी है तो बैठ के करो। घर पे बैठे हो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि बेड पे बैठ के करेंगे, लेट के करेंगे, वॉशरूम से करेंगे, ऐसा है?
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं है। मैं ऐसा हुआ था, वो मेड आई थी ना, वो झाड़ू पोछा लगाने के लिए, इसलिए थोड़ी देर वो ऊपर, बाकी नहीं तो नीचे ही बैठाती हूँ। तो थोड़ी देर के लिए वो ऊपर, पर वो भूल गया नीचे बैठने के लिए, ऐसा हुआ था। बाकी हर वक्त तो वो नहीं बेड पे बैठता।
नहीं, आज वो बैठा था इसलिए मैंने आपको बताया।
तो वो मेड आई थी ना, तो झाड़ू पोछा करने के लिए आई थी, तो ऊपर उसको बैठा दिया था।
और दूसरा मुझे दीपिका मैम ने ऐसा बोला है कि इसको एक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स क्लास होती है हमारी 12:30 बजे, जो उसमें इसको D3 दिया है मैंने स्पीकिंग में। यस कुश?
यस मैम।
तो ये स्टोरी बोलनी थी उस दिन, ठीक है? स्टोरी बोलनी थी और उसके बेसिस पे आई विल टॉक फर्स्ट। स्टोरी बोलनी थी और उसके बेसिस पे ग्रेड देने थे मुझे, तो ये उस दिन नहीं आया था, ठीक है?
हाँ, तो मैं उसी
तो
दिन
मैं
उस
उसको डी बोल देना पड़ेगा ना, मैं क्या दूं,
हाँ
मैंने
हाँ
सुनी नहीं तो मुझे तो डी ही देना पड़ेगा ना उसको।
मैम ऐसा हुआ था उस दिन उसको बीमार बहुत था और वो जल्दी जाकर लेकर जाना था हॉस्पिटल में। वो 2 दिन तो उसको वो बॉटल चलानी थी, वो ऐसा
हाँ
था ना इसलिए।
मुझे
पर
दीपिका
मेरी
मैम ने
मेरी
बताया।
गलती ये थी कि आपको बताया नहीं मैंने।
हाँ दीपिका मैम ने मुझे
सबसे बड़ी
बताया।
मेरी गलती थी कि मैंने आपको मैसेज नहीं किया।
हाँ मुझे अगर मैसेज कर देते ना तो मैं नेक्स्ट डे उसका ले लेती।
हाँ वो मेरी गलती है, सॉरी मैम, वो मेरी गलती थी।
नहीं
मैं
वो
अपनी
क्वेश्चन कर
गलती
रहे
समझ
थे,
सकती हूँ।
नहीं वो ऐसा क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे कि मैं तो अच्छा करता हूँ, मुझे D3 कैसे मिला है। तो मैंने बोला जब वो आया ही नहीं तो मैं उसको कैसे दूं ग्रेड, ए कैसे दूं।
वो तो अच्छा ही कर रहा है, सिर्फ थोड़ा पढ़ाई में ऐसा उधर उधर हो जाता है। पर उस दिन वो बुखार में तप रहा था इसलिए मैं जल्दी जल्दी मैं लीव करके जल्दी जल्दी चल गई थी।
नहीं
पर
ऐसा
मेरी
होता है
गलती
तो
ये
मैं
थी।
नेक्स्ट टाइम ले लेती हूँ। इवन मैं इंग्लिश की क्लास में ले लेती हूँ कि चलो अभी
अच्छा
बच्चे नहीं आए हैं फटाफट मुझे दे दो, तो मैं उसको
अगली
ग्रेड आगे से ध्यान रखना है कुछ आपको
Ma'am,
ऐसा
ma'am,
करना
I
है।
attended the my shadow also, my shadow speaking skills
What did
also.
I tell you? My shadow will come in the next term. I told you ना
Yes.
इतना क्लास इसने my shadow poem बोली
મારી
थी।
છેડો તો તે પોયમ કરેલી હતી પણ પેલી અઘાડીની વાત કરે છે ટીચર।
बहुत अच्छी बोली थी और मैंने इसकी
हाँ
तारीफ भी की थी, इसको पूछो
हाँ बराबर,
की
तारीफ
थी
पण
कि
કરી
नहीं
દીધી बराबर છે।
कि बहुत अच्छा बोला है आपने कुछ। और मैंने इसको ये भी बोला था कि
हम्म,
इसके ग्रेड्स नेक्स्ट टर्म में ऐड होंगे क्योंकि अभी रिपोर्ट कार्ड बन चुका है। पूछो इसको
ओके
बोला
कोई
था, है ना। तो
कोई बात
अब
नहीं मैम।
ग्रेड अच्छा आएगा, अब वाला जो ग्रेड उसका आएगा फर्स्ट टर्म
हम्म,
का वो उसका अच्छा आएगा क्योंकि
Ma'am,
उसने।
because my first report card is always bad only.
तो
Why?
why do you do that? Don't do that. Okay.
तभी
Second,
आपने वो खड़ा ऐसा जैसे खेलने में बहुत ज्यादा है उसका दिन, फिर डैडी की डांट पड़ेगी, मेरी डांट पड़ेगी, फिर वो चला जाएगा। और वो टीचर भी बोलेंगे तो सीट लाइन पे चला आता है, ऐसा होता है उसको। वैसे ऐसा आज तो उसने अच्छा किया ना,
हाँ
बोल सकते हैं
क्लास
हाँ।
में वो जवाब देता है बट मेरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि
हम्म,
जब मैं उसको जवाब पूछती हूँ ना तो वो
हम्म,
जवाब उसने क्यों चुना है उसका आंसर उसके पास नहीं होता है।
नहीं कुछ ऐसा ऐसा नहीं होता। हाँ बेटा ध्यान से करो।
अगर आपको समझ आया है तो आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि मैं ये क्यों बोल रहा हूँ। मैं आपको पूछती हूँ ना, फॉर एवरी चाइल्ड आई आस्क नो व्हाई दिस आंसर, व्हाई नॉट दिस आंसर, डोंट आई आस्क कुछ, आई आस्क
yes.
व्हाई डू आई आस्क बिकॉज आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ है कि नहीं। क्योंकि एग्जाम में मैं ये तो पूछने वाली हूँ ही नहीं, तुम्हें पता है मैं बुक से एक भी सेंटेंस नहीं पूछती क्योंकि मुझे समझना है कि तुम लोगों को कितना आया। बुक का पूछूंगी तो तुम लोग तो रट्टा मार के आ जाओगे और लिख दोगे, तो मुझे तो वो जानना ही नहीं है कि बुक में क्या लिखा है, तो मुझे तो बाहर से डालना होता है। तो अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि क्या कहाँ आना है तो आपको कैसे एग्जाम दोगे आप, है ना। इसलिए आपको उसका रीजन भी पता होना चाहिए कि ऐसा है तो ऐसा क्यों है। ग्रामर ऐसा ही होता है, ग्रामर में आप लर्न नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है। ग्रामर के रूल्स लर्न कर सकते हो आप और आप आंसर्स नहीं लर्न कर सकते। जैसे मैथ्स है, मैथ्स में आप उसका स्टेप लर्न कर सकते हो, आंसर तो नहीं लर्न कर सकते ना।
Ma'am, I am not learning answer, I am learning meanings.
That's what I'm saying. Read the rules when I say learn the rules, learn the rules. Okay? अभी आगे से मुझे कोई कंप्लेन नहीं चाहिए तेरी, समझ आई?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
थैंक यू।
Thank you.